Welcome class. This will be a short video that's just going to give you some insight to our first unit, collaborative art, and just give you a lesson overview of what we're going to be doing. So your learning goals are 1, to define collaborative art and why artists would choose to work together on an assignment. Our second learning goal is that we're going to examine collaborative artworks. Third, we'll collaboratively plan an art project together. And 4, we will actually create a collaborative project. Our central question for the unit is, how do artists collaborate to harness the experiences and skills of each person in a group? Our vocabulary words, we will always have 6. Our vocabulary words are collaboration, teamwork, installation, display, theme, and communication. For your summative assessment, all students will collaboratively plan and complete a group project that harnesses the experiences and skills of each person taking part to give meaning and creative expression to what's important in their lives. You will be graded as in all projects based on your final project, your art production rubric. You'll be graded on your learning log, which is a self-reflection and understanding of your vocabulary. And lastly, your entrance tickets, which you'll complete during each lesson. Lastly, your materials for this project will be art squares. These are going to be pre-decided images of an artwork that I'm going to email to you. You will then also have be given some blank white square sheets of paper that you will be transferring the art squares onto. Third, you will need a pencil, and lastly, oil pastels. The pencil, oil pastels, and square paper will all be provided to you in your art bag. If you have not received an art bag or these materials, please let me know and we can figure out a different accommodation. But that is your lesson overview for unit number 1. Please let me know if you have any questions. Otherwise, I look forward to teaching this unit to you and breaking all this down and seeing what we can create together. All right, bye everyone.